The cheetah is the world's fastest land animal. The cheetah is the most specialized of all the 37 species of cats and has evolved with almost total focus on speed. That brings us to the topic of speed, and thus the name Cheetah for Vermerhan Engineering Corporation's new gluing machine. The Cheetah gluing machine is very fast and will apply latex glue, remoistenable glue, and pressure-sensitive glue and release paper applications on a variety of sizes of envelopes and flat sheets of paper. There is an old saying, seeing is believing. Please sit back. You're about to see production and profit in motion. The Cheetah will run envelope sizes from 3 by 3 5/8 inches open end to 20 by 20 inches open end. Flat sheet sizes up to 20 by 23 inches can be run with the optional sheet feeder. Speeds of up to 28,000 envelopes per hour for latex glue have been achieved by a single operator on our equipment. 2 operators working together have achieved over 45,000 latex envelopes per hour. The following are some of the actual running speeds that have been achieved under normal plant conditions. Speeds could be higher or lower depending on type of glue used, paper weight, and experience of the operator. The Cheetah can be changed over from one size to another in 15 minutes or less in most cases. The patented Glumizer gum box is easy to adjust. It applies an even pattern of glue and inhibits foaming of adhesives at high speeds. The maximum glue pattern width is 8.5 inches, and the maximum glue pattern length is 23 inches. This gives you a wide range of gluing possibilities. The Cheetah can even apply glue on gusset envelopes and some square bottom bags. A trip mechanism disengages the gumming cylinder in case of a skip or miss. We now have 3 different models of the Cheetah. The first one pictured here is 30 feet long. Our customers wanted a smaller Cheetah, so we made the Cheetah 2. The length of the Cheetah 2 is 25 feet, width 4 feet, height 5 feet 2 inches, weight 5,000 pounds. And now, the newest model of the Cheetah family is the Cheetah 3. It has all of our latest improvements, but most important of all, it's only 17 feet 6 inches long, 4 feet wide, and 6 feet 10.5 inches high. For those companies that are concerned with floor space, this is the Cheetah to own. It is compact, yet very fast and efficient. It's easy to adjust and make changes just like the previous Cheetahs. You'll notice that the drying section is overhead, making the work area more comfortable for the operator. The Cheetah 3 has all of the same options as the other Cheetahs, except for the sheet feeder. This machine really gets the job done. Be sure to order 1 or more of these fine gluing machines for your plant. The Cheetah's electrical requirements are 240 volts, 3-phase, 50 or 60 cycle, and 80 amps. If you have special electrical requirements other than these, please let us know. The Cheetahs have 12,000 watts of drying power. 2 different motors power the machine and dryer belts. Optional equipment for the Cheetahs include the patented pull-and-press attachment, the sheet feeder on the Cheetah 2, the perforating assembly, vacuum pumps, air compressor, and skirting. The warranty for the Cheetahs is for 1 year from the date of delivery if operated 1 shift per 24-hour period. It is for 6 months if operated 2 shifts per 24-hour period. The warranty is for 3 months if operated 3 shifts per 24-hour period. Should the occasion occur that parts would need to be replaced, they can be ordered from us, or you can usually get them locally, since they're all standard sizes. We'd like to show you some of the features found on the Cheetahs. Our reliable flap opener allows you to run envelopes with flaps closed or extended. The maximum closed flap that can be opened is 3 inches. Here's how the flap opener works. We increase the speed of the machine after you had a chance to see it in action. We're opening the flaps on 9x12 open-end envelopes at 21,300 per hour, or 355 envelopes per minute. Our flap closing device allows you to apply glue and refold the flaps for remoistenable gluing and for pressure-sensitive glue and silicone release paper applications. We're applying pressure-sensitive glue and silicone release paper on 9x12 open-end envelopes and then refolding the flaps at 12,900 per hour, or 215 envelopes per minute. This is not the top speed for pressure-sensitive glue applications. The patented pull-and-press attachment applies pressure-sensitive glue and silicone release paper on envelopes and sheets of paper. The length of the release paper cutoffs ranges from 1.5 inches to 13.5 inches. The width of the release paper you can apply ranges from 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches. The delivery table is adjustable and has a variable speed belt drive to ensure a smooth and efficient delivery of the finished product. An electronic counter and batcher is included with the machines. The sheet feeder that is available on the Cheetah 2 is adjustable and allows you to run flat sheets or large envelopes easily. Flat sheets are being run at over 12,000 pieces per hour, and a perf is being applied. The perforating unit lets you easily perforate or score envelope flaps or flat sheets in a single cycle. Coin envelopes and drive-in envelopes run extremely well on the Cheetahs. Before we increased the speed to 755 per minute, we wanted you to see how the feed worked. As you can see, it is very reliable and transfers the envelopes to the aligner section easily prior going into the gluing. The patented pull-and-press attachment for offline pressure-sensitive gluing applications. The patented P2000 pressure-sensitive glue applicator, and finally, several different models of Cheetah gluing machines. The Cheetah 1, the Cheetah 2, and our newest model, the Cheetah 3. Although others have tried to clone our machines, please remember, only the highly successful originals come from Vermerhan Engineering Corporation. We bring new and improved products to market on a regular basis and will continue to be the leaders in the field of offline gluing machines. Once again, demonstrating to the trade that we are the innovators. Our machines are tested every day under the same production circumstances you might experience in your own plant. At a facility in Atlanta, Georgia, our equipment runs actual production orders and is put to the test every day. This allows us to come up with and test our new ideas. We apply glue on millions and millions of envelopes on our equipment every year, assuring you, our customer, the best quality, design, and improvements that we can deliver. It is one thing to build a machine. It is another thing to know it works. We invite you to visit this facility and watch our equipment in action. You won't be disappointed. The P2000 was designed for envelope manufacturers and printers who want additional profits from their envelope sales. Pressure-sensitive envelopes are here to stay, and the profit and growth potentials are enormous. With the new P2000 pressure-sensitive applicating machine, you have new marketing capabilities and opportunities, increased profit potential, competitive advantage, a versatile offline machine. You will have new marketing capabilities because the P2000 allows you to apply pressure-sensitive glue and release paper on your customers' envelopes from a number 5.5 coin through a 15-inch by 18-inch open-end envelope. You can also apply pressure-sensitive glue on some sheets of paper, depending on size and weight of paper stock used. The actual dimensions of envelopes that can be run through the P2000 are from 3 5/8 inches to 18 inches high, and from 3 1/8 inches to 15 inches wide. The length of the release paper that can be applied ranges from 3 inches to 13 inches in quarter-inch increments, providing tremendous flexibility. You have increased profit potential because you have an opportunity to substantially increase your company's profits from envelope sales by adding the new P2000 pressure-sensitive applicator to your production capabilities. We have experienced these running speeds with the P2000. 9 by 12 catalog envelopes, 12,000 per hour. Number 10 commercial envelopes, 15,000 plus per hour. And 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper, 24 pound, 10,000 plus per hour. Why just sell regular seal envelopes at competitive prices and smaller profit margins when you can get into the lucrative pressure-sensitive market? Your customers will love them, and you will too. A recent survey showed an overwhelming 94% of customers prefer the convenience of pressure-sensitive or latex envelopes over regular remoistenable envelopes. Perhaps you will want to run your own customer survey. The cost for applying pressure-sensitive glue and release paper compares favorably with latex glue. Competitive advantage. You can easily run small, medium, or large orders offline. Because of the wide variety of sizes you can run, you should be the first in your area offering these services to your customers and your competitors' customers. Give your customers what they want and are willing to pay for. Envelopes with pressure-sensitive seals. With the addition of the new P2000, you will be ahead of your competition. You'll have the latest technology for applying pressure-sensitive glue and release paper on your customers' orders. A versatile offline machine. With the P2000, you will have a superior method for applying pressure-sensitive glue and release paper. Some specifics on the P2000 are length, 14 feet, width, 4 feet, volts, 240, cycles, 60 in the USA, phase, 3, amps, 30, 1 operator. You will also have the same 1-year warranty as the Latex 1600 gumming machine. The same reliable feed section, aligner section, flap opener, patented overbending device, glue miser gum box, automated trip system, counter, adjustable delivery table, and a new flap closer, plus the same profit-making capabilities as the reliable Latex 1600. With the P2000, you get quick size changes, usually 20 minutes. You can print your envelope first, then apply the pressure-sensitive seal. You can also take envelopes right out of stock and apply the pressure-sensitive seal over existing seal gum. The P2000 will open the flaps before the glue is applied and then close the flaps after it is applied. With the P2000, your envelopes and your customers' envelopes will have longer shelf life, and you can use the same boxes and cartons because the flaps are not extended. The P2000 is an offline machine that is versatile, easy to operate, productive, and very profitable. Yet it is moderately priced. Increase your profits and market share right away. Order your P2000 today.